My dear honey, why are you running so fast? You will fall down. Be slow, honey. Can you please stop?
Mommy, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for the food you made for us. I just want to be there really quickly. Oh, there's so many foods around, Mom. You made so many food for us.
Yes, honey. But before you start eating, you need to name all these foods shapes.
Sub sandwich is a cylinder, Mommy. Am I right? Square is a sandwich. This egg sandwich you made. Rectangle is these crackers. They look so yummy. Oh, look at this chocolate cookie. It's round. And I love those samosas, Mom. They are triangle. Oh, there is a dessert as well. Ice cream cone. And it's a cone. And my favorite is the egg, boiled egg, which is oval. Am I right, Mommy? I had so much of fun. This food was good. Let's take a selfie now.